friends! Today we have a Play-Doh kitchen, and it looks like we're gonna be making pie. So we can make pie, eat a slice of pie, and our fruits, wow, they look like they're having so much fun. And it comes with 4 different colored Play-Dohs, a pie mold, a basket, the pie maker, a fork, a pie cutting knife, a plate, as well as a tube. Let's open this box up. So here are 4 colors. We got brown, white, red, as well as a blue. Our pie mold. Here is our fruit basket with the different fruit shapes. A tube, a fork, a pie cutter. This looks like the pie crust maker, and the plate. Let's start making our pie. Okay, the first thing we need to do is, of course, make the crust. So which color do you think the crust should be? I'm thinking it should be brown. So let's take out the brown. Brown. So we gotta cover our pie pan with a pie crust. No, wait, first we gotta roll it. See, it's not sticking very well. That's what our roller is for. So let's put it down on here and roll out the dough. We want to make sure the dough is really thin, because if the crust isn't thin, then it'll be too soggy. We don't want to have a soggy pie. Okay, that looks really flat. So we can take the back of here, put it down, and we gotta cut it so it matches. Take out the extra. Now we gotta take off the dough and put it in our pie pan. There we go, it's perfect. Take out the extras so then it can fit perfectly. Okay, that's done. Let me give you a secret. In order to have the best pie that's very flaky, you gotta take the fork and poke some holes in the dough, like this. When you do this, the dough will be very flaky, and a flaky dough tastes the best. Okay, now we got to decide which fruits we want to do. Let's see, we have blue, we have white, and we have red. I think a cherry pie will be very good. So let's open the red. Let's also open the blue so we can put some other kinds of fruits. Okay, so here's our fruit basket. We gotta fill it up. I think a blue strawberry will be very fun. So let me make a blue strawberry. There we go. Let's make a bunch of those blue strawberries. Now let's make some cherries. Cherries. I think that's enough. Let's fill up our fruit basket. Now we gotta fill up our pie. So just put the fruits inside. I think we're gonna need a little more cherry. Okay, we finished putting the fruits inside. Now we gotta put the top crust on it. Again, we must roll it out. Try to roll it out into a square this time. Okay, we have it all rolled out. We gotta cut it so we can make the top. So cut lines on the top. Here are the lines. Now just simply place it on top. Here's my pie. It looks so delicious. Of course, we're not done yet. We have to cook it. So let's cook some pie. To cook some pie, we have our microwave. We gotta cook our pie inside the microwave. Let's put our microwave and put the pie inside. Close it. Which one should we pick? I think we should go for the potato. And press start. There it is, it's done. Woohoo! It's nice and hot and perfect to eat. Now the only thing we can be missing is the whipped cream. We have ourselves a tool to make some whipped cream. So just put in some white, put the top on, and squeeze. Wow, it looks so delicious. Last but not least, we must test it. Let's eat it. Here's my fork. I'm gonna take a big bite. Let's try it. Wow, it was so yummy. I should make more pie next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.